This is a story about three cockatiel birds, Dr. Bird, Cooper, and Milo. The three birds owned two pet humans who were planning to get married. Each week, the birds heard their pet humans talk into large sticks and bright lights about their plans.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the JuRYMore podcast, the podcast where we're getting married.
Goddamn right we are.
Finally, the day came and the two humans left the birds behind and traveled to a place called DragonCon to get married. The birds were sad, but understood that since their pet humans were clumsy and could not fly, that they had to take a large machine into the sky to get to DragonCon, and the machine wasn't safe for birds. Soon after the humans left, Dr. Bird said to Milo and Cooper, "Hey, we can fly. Why don't we just fly ourselves to DragonCon?" Milo and Cooper thought that this was a swell idea, so they escaped the apartment and took off to Atlanta, Georgia. The birds flew for hours and hours, determined to get there. 2 days passed, and they only got as far as the Sierra Nevada foothills. They saw a nice tree there and decided to stop and rest. After a while, the birds noticed an owl at the end of the limb. Dr. Bird said, "Why, hello there." The owl responded, "I'm Zeus, the wise-ass owl. Who are you?" "I'm Dr. Bird, and this is Cooper, and that's Milo." "Sorry we didn't see you there. We're very tired. Do you mind if we rest here before continuing on our journey?" "That's fine, but where are you going?" "We're trying to get to Atlanta, Georgia, to DragonCon, to attend our pet human's wedding." "Oh, DragonCon. I've had a lot of fun at DragonCon, perhaps too much." "But you boys will never make it there in time if you plan to fly. You can only fly at a speed of 35 miles per hour. "Really? Oh no, what are we going to do?" "Well, I suggest you go visit the animal fairy. He can help you." Milo asks, "But where will we find the animal fairy?" "Look into my eyes and I will show you the way." Look into my eyes.
Animals know truth.
The birds thank Zeus and set out to make their way to the animal fairy's home. The owl shouts out to them, "Watch out for Concrud! Hashtag Flock the Vote 2016. They arrive at the animal fairy's house. Dr. Bird knocks.
Hello? What can I do for you? Alrighty, I'll figure something out, but come inside and have a seat.
Hello, it's me, Mrs. Animal Fairy. Now, you boys look hungry. Why don't you stay for some food?
Would you boys like some liquor? Because you're going to need it for the next step in this great adventure. Animal Fairy's here to teach you. We're animal fairies.
Oh, look at us animal and fairying.
You know what they say about animal fairies?
Oh, what do they say?
He's secretly gay.
Oh, what?
All right, we're going outside.
Make sure to watch out for those airplanes and tweet us when you get there.
Good luck!
After the animal fairy turned the birds into dragon birds, they made great progress continuing the journey across Google Maps on their way to DragonCon. The dragon birds descended on the host hotels, and a crowd of 80,000 attendees cheered. The dragon birds surprised the pet humans and arrived just in time for the wedding. And the three birds and two humans lived happily ever after. The end.